Need a professional business card but don't know where to start? In the next few minutes, I will show you how to create one using only your phone and Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I share Canva tutorials and graphic design tips that helps you to create professional designs like a pro using your Canva. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a clean and professional business card in Canva using your mobile phone. Let's get started. As you open your Canva homepage like this, you click on search, you click on template, you search for business card. Here are various templates that you can always search for on Canva. Canva already provides professional size business card templates, so you don't need to worry about the dimension. So you choose one template and you customize, and also choose a clean layout. Remember, simplicity always looks more professional. Choose a clean layout. Let's choose this one. Now the business cards template is here. The very first thing to do when you want to customize a template is for you to rename the template. And how will you do that? You click on the three icons at the top of the template here, and you click on this text to rename the template. There you go back. And the next thing for you to do is add your logo. You upload the logo, you resize and position it. Your logo should be the one of the first thing people notice. So I will click on the logo right here because we are customizing it. I will delete it because I cannot click on replace here. So I delete it. I will delete this one too. And this one, I will add my logo. I will go to the brand. Then I remove the background. I will scroll down to the position, make it be in the middle and in the middle too. So I will change the background to blue, this one to white. You go to the color, you change it to white, and this place to change it to white. So I will click on the logo again and I will increase it. Let me increase this more. Let me scroll down to the position. Like this. Now I will go to the back of the business card. Let me first of all change the background to blue. Delete this. So I will go back to the front. I will copy this my logo. I will click on the three icon after delete button and click on copy. I will go back here. I will click on paste. You can see. So I drag it here. So this one I will go to the color and give it white. I will click on edit. I will change it to white, everything to white, and the social media icons, you go to the color, you change them to white again, and the last one change it to white. So you click on the text one by one. I will go to the edit. Then this one. And this two. Then I will click on the line here. I will scroll forward to the color. And when you are customizing your template, make sure you align everything. Proper alignment makes your design looks neat and professional. This is the front of the business card, and this is the back of the business card. So let me take this one down small. And now we want to download, so you click on the download icon right here at the top. Then you click the download. And you choose a PDF print, or you download with PNG. If you are printing professionally, you choose PDF print for the best quality. So all you have to do, you click on the file type, click on PDF print, you click on flatten PDF, select both pages, then color profile will be CMYK, then you click on download. And that is how you can download a professional business card using only your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments what Canva tutorial you would like to see next. Thank you. Bye.